Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video we'll be unboxing Narco Max running trainers. We're just going to get on with it. This has just come today. As you can see straight away, a bit of damage on the box, but we expect that for it to come from China. This is just how it's going to be. Inside we have trainers that, even though the box is damaged, they are pretty good. Okay, so I'll get out of the way how much they cost. There was $63, which is roughly £50 UK sterling. If I was to buy these from the NARC store on their website, they would cost me £154 UK sterling, which is, I don't know, roughly $150, $160 maybe. So yeah, a massive price difference, and I can tell you right now, there's not a big difference in quality. I'll just show you. We'll start from the back of this one. We'll just go around. These bubbles are nice and firm, just the way they should be. The stitching, it's perfect. It really is perfect. I don't know if you won't be able to pick that up on the camera, but if you can just look down the line. I mean, a lot of it is glued, I think, but still, it's really well done. Really well done. The bubbles are nice and solid, like I said. I'll show you underneath. Nice even tread. This is solid, just like it would be on an original pair. I'll show you this side. Show you the tick, which is perfectly placed. Now, if we're being picky, which I tend to be, there's a bit, it looks like there's a little line of glue going around here. Now, if you was to pay, you know, top dollar for these, you would expect them to be a bit neater than that, but I mean, it is a very small. Show you inside. A bit of paper in there. As you can see, these are UK size 6, which is a US 6.5 and a European 59, 24.5 centimeters. And this is on Aliexpress. This is how you would work out what size you would need, because I don't believe on the sales page they show you the UK sizes. So what you do is you measure in centimeters the size that you need, and then they have a chart on their sales page, and you can match it to the European number, which is 59 in this case. This is what I did to end up with the right size. So yeah, that's one of them. This is the other. Again, nice solid bubble. Nicely placed tick on both sides. As you can see. Now we're going to try them on, or my fiance is going to try them on. In a moment. You can see how they fit, but so far it's everything's good. These are a quality made pair of trainers, and you can see that by looking at them. So yeah, we're going to try them on now. Okay, so my fiance is going to try them on now. And we'll see how they fit. This is the first time that she's tried them on. Are they snug?
Mhm.
Turn around, baby. As you can see. Yep. Toes there. The heel's at the back of the shoe. Turn again, babe. As you can see, they fit perfectly. So all you have to do is just make sure you follow the size guides on the sales page. Measure your feet in centimetres, and pick whatever the corresponding size is. And you can't go wrong. So yeah, overall I'd give these a 9 out of 10. And the reason I don't give them a 10 is because of the little bit of glue around the front. But like I said, I'm a picky person, and I want perfection more often than not. But yeah, the laces are quality, the stitching's quality, the gluing's quality, apart from that front bit obviously. The soles are quality. They're just as good. They're just as good as the official trainers. Thanks for watching. Bye.